We moved into this house a month ago, but today was the first day I've had the energy and the time to do a full grocery shopping trip. Our family has eaten more takeout in the past 2 months than we probably have our entire lives. It felt so good to make a grocery list, go to the grocery store, and get everything organized. I knew it was going to take me a long time, which was why I was putting it off, but it felt so good to finally get it done. We had a home-cooked meal for dinner tonight, and I plan on making a lot more in the days to come. Come watch as I create my organization system in the new fridge and get all the refrigerated items organized.